Here.
For your favorite country legends. And 92.9 for the best and most new country. The new 93Q. And online at thenew93q.com.
A hot Texas summer can cause serious damage to the slab bodies.
See you, Jay.
Heat and rain and water wreak havoc, and it's a big problem. If you're seeing level floors, cracking bricks, sticking protect your biggest asset, your home. Generosity Foundation. It's generosity with a C. Generosity.
BNSF 7317 5502